Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make boomerang videos from camera roll on Instagram. So simply what you need to do, just open the Instagram app. So here you can see our main account is here. So simply what you need to do, just click on this plus button on the right top corner, just click here. So when you click here, just go to story. So here you can see the boomerang option. Simply select this. So after selecting this, you can press the camera button and record the video. Simply now stop it. So in this way you can record a boomerang video on Instagram by rolling the camera.